Last month, we visited the Theater of Santa Fe. This experience helped us to do this video. The Maywood Municipal Theater is the premier stage theater and concert hall in Santa Fe. This theater depends on the municipality of this city. This fantastic building has 3 rooms. The first and the most important is called Room Mayor. The second, that is for 250 people, is called Leopoldo Marechal. And the last one is a room that is used for practice. Nowadays, the representations are for all classes that have different ages. With this video, we can see the evolution of the theater. For example, in the time of the Queen Isabel, the place where the actors did the representations hadn't got roof and now have magnificent architectural structures. Do you know about the difference between Shakespeare's theater and the theater now?
Yes, I know. There are a lot. Shakespeare theaters haven't got floor or roof.
Yes, and all the people could go. There wasn't any discrimination.
That was so good. And the people who went had to sit on the floor because there wasn't chairs to sit down like theaters nowadays.
That's so good.